Good day and welcome everybody to the channel. Today we're going to have a look at some deeper and more refined ways of using ChatGPT. So the first thing we're going to do is jump in to ChatGPT. Now what I've done is I've just bookmarked them here because I don't want to have to type the URL in every single time I need to use it. So what we're going to have a look at today is we're going to have a look at how we can create PowerPoint presentations using ChatGPT. Now there is a simple, quick and easy way to do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to start a new conversation. And what we're going to do is we're going to choose a topic and create a presentation. Right, so what we can say here is how can we protect the earth? Act as a professional to make PowerPoint presentations on the given topic. Try to create the presentation on 10 slides, and we're going to hit enter. And there we go. Now it has completed the task that we have asked it to complete in 10 slides. That is absolutely fantastic. Now, this is the important part. So what we're going to do is we are going to copy the content that it has thrown out for us. And once we've got that, we are going to jump into Microsoft365.com. This is Microsoft's official website, and this is what the page looks like. Now, once you've signed in and you have enough storage space, then you are able to use the features that it offers. So on the left hand side there's a toolbar. It says home, create my content, apps, and it gives you a list of the apps. Now what you can do is tap on create, and then we are going to create a Word document, and it will open a new tab. Now what you can do at this stage is you can run through the content that was generated, and you can actually edit what you need to edit in this stage before we actually get to the presentation point. So here is all your content, and we can just edit what we need to edit. So if you see what is done here is it has actually given you a score here telling you that everything looks good. So they can close that. So everything is divided into each slide. So what you can do is read through it, make sure that it is correct. Once you are 100% happy with what it looks like, we're going to go on to the left-hand side and we are going to tap File. Now, what you do here is look for Export and tap on that, and it'll give you the option to export to PowerPoint presentation, and tap on that. And once you are here, it will give you the option to choose a different design theme. There are a few options here. In actual fact, what they do is, according to what your content is about, they generally give you design themes accordingly. So I'm going to choose this one here because it does look quite funky, and tap export. Now this will just take a few seconds depending on what operating system you're using. It will differ. And there you go. It says open presentation. Yay. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. You can open this in PowerPoint on the Microsoft Office website, or you can, if you have the desktop app, you can open it there too. So it depends on where you'd like to open it, and it makes absolutely no difference. So again, if you're not happy with exactly how this is presented to you, you can actually change each one of these slides. You can add what you need to add. You can remove. You can add an image if you'd like to add an image. You can change the font. You can change the way it's laid out. And you pretty much have full disclosure as to what this is going to look like when you're done. And when you're done, you can just go to the left hand side of your screen on File, and I'm sure you would know, if you're familiar, you can tap Save As, and then you can save it as a copy online. You can actually download it. You can download it as a PDF, and there are a couple other options here, but you can actually save it so that you can use it, you can share it, you can run it straight to your printer and have it printed, and so forth. And there you go. The possibilities are endless. All you need to do is type in a very simple, straightforward command, depending on what it is that you want your presentation to look like and what you want it to be about. And you can just jump onto Microsoft 365, create yourself a document, and there you go. You have a full presentation. Now, just one note quickly. I did say in my prompt that I want 10 slides. You can, of course, do more slides if you want to. So if you need 20 slides, you can do 50 slides. It depends on exactly what it is that you'd like. And there you go. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave us a like. And if you enjoy the content we put out, subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you in the next mind-blowing adventure. Cheers.